I wonder if your shirts truly appreciate being that close to your skin. As the cotton pressed against your body learns to sync with your scent and melanin, do they ever revere the sacred act of listening to the beats of your heart while lingering against your chest? As I envy them, I wonder. You came and you burst these butterflies in me that rejoice only at your presence, but you left it upon me to slay them to death. How cruel can you be? And now I'm left to put out these flames, these wildfires that we naively set, hoping to survive in them, but you let me do all the work. I always wished my love for you was subtle, with enough dosage not to scare you away, but evident enough to draw yours out too. I wonder what gave me away. I never learned to love properly. Love for me was an unruly child. I guess it had a mind of its own. Love is never obedient when we need it to. It is either loud and wild when it rather it be timid and silent, or timid and silent when we prefer it loud and wild. It is nothing in between. It is either hot or cold. It is never lukewarm. Love is one hell of a rebel. Unruly as it may be, it still suffered the daggers of yours, unrequited, your oblivion, or are you just plain stupid? I love you. I love you. I wonder how long it will take for you to love me back. Will you ever?